At Five Dynamics, we tend to see a few questions over and over. We will address one of the more popular questions below, as we want to demonstrate that what can mistakenly be seen as a flaw is actually a huge strength of our methodology. We have never been cookie cutter, and we don't want to be. Customized, personalized, and contextualized. Those are the three tenets of our methodology. See below for the popular question and for our detailed response. Question: in looking over our work preferences during a team meeting, we notice that not everyone has the same content sections. For example, some people have quote-unquote reserved energy and some don't. Others have quote-unquote sales orientation and some don't. Why is this? Answer: that is a great question. Just like each person's energetic score is unique to them, so too is their profile. Each profile is customized and tailored to that specific person based on their specific energetic makeup. The work preferences content is written using best practices and learning preferences for each person's energies. For example, people high in execute value direct, concise communication that covers all the needed facts without unnecessary digression. High execute example. You can see in this example of a person with a lot of energy in execute that the copy is peppered with bullet points and gets to the point rather quickly. Notice that there are 7 topics for this person. These topics focus on the most relevant topics for that person's particular energy profile. Remember, the Five Dynamics methodology is strengths-based, and the focus is mostly on a person's areas of higher energies. As such, some content headers and sections may differ from person to person. In addition, the tone and style of the writing also differs depending on the energy map of that person. High excite example. Here is an example of someone who has higher energies in excite. There are 9 topics. Ideal work environment was not included in the previous example, but for a high excite, having a work environment that supports their energy is super important. Motivation is an additional topic for this profile and another important theme for those high in excite. Notice the positive feeling the words convey and the action-based structure of the language. This is designed to resonate with the person who has this profile. Reserved energy example. Reserved energy is treated as an additional topic in the profiles of people that have a reserved energy in a dynamic, which is not everyone. The intent is to increase that person's awareness of potential pitfalls and to provide a series of tips to maximize success when working through that dynamic. The example below is of a profile with a reserved energy. Quote-unquote reserved energy appears at the bottom of the topics. Someone who does not have a reserved energy would not get this extra bit of content. High explore and examine example. Here's one more example. This person's highest energies are in explore and examine. This profile does not include a section on sales orientation. This is not because he would be incapable of succeeding in sales if he sets his mind to it. On the contrary, his energy profile implies he is an intuitive thinker and planner and can relate well to others, which could make him an excellent salesperson. Merely, sales may not be what he is naturally drawn to based on his unique energetic makeup, so that section is not included with this particular energetic profile. I hope this helps to explain how our content is customized for each person's unique energy signature and the importance of doing it that way. You will not find one-size-fits-all content here. You are uniquely and wonderfully you, and we feel that you deserve customized, personalized, and contextualized content.